Hi everyone. Here is Miss Holmes back with you on another video, but this one is kind of reviewing what we've already talked about in class today, just in case you have any questions. So this is about our atomic theory timeline project that we're going to be working on the next few days. So first of all, the due date is 11/12, which is a Thursday at 4 p.m. I am giving you 2.5 whole class days to work on this, as well as you have till 4 p.m. on the 12th to turn it in. But I am not going to give you class time that day. Okay, so your task, you're going to be creating a timeline using Google Slides to create a timeline of atomic theory and periodic table discoveries. Please make sure you're using the checklist below to ensure your project is complete. So first of all, you're going to make sure you have the date of the discovery, the name of the discoverer, the picture of the discoverer, name of the model if applicable. Some of them may just be like the periodic table or some other kind of discovery about the parts of an atom. You need to make sure you insert a picture or a drawing of the model if applicable. Picture of literally anything, because I did this project just to see and to show you guys, and I got all of it. So there's that. There's a description of the discovery contribution to atomic theory. And then, of course, you need to cite your references, not on the back. This usually is done on paper, but I'll show you how to do that when I show you the slides. Make sure that it is colorful, neat, and visually appealing. It is going to be on Google Slides, so you can pick whatever theme you want. That's fine. And then make sure your overall piece demonstrates accuracy, as well as it doesn't need to fit on an 11x5 piece of paper, but it does need to be completed on time. I am giving you a ton of class time, so there's not an excuse to not get this done, okay? So I do provide you with the rubric that I'm going to be using to grade. And these are all of the scientists that you're going to be going ahead and researching. All right, so make sure that you are paying attention and making sure you have all of these names on there. If you want a full 40 points for this project, make sure that you are following along on the rubric here in the excellent portion. That just means you went above and beyond. So let me show you what your base is going to get. So you're going to get that as a link to look at this, to view this, so you have access to this. And then this is the project you're actually going to be working in. So excuse me, I started you off with the title slide and a by, so make sure you put your name. And then I gave you enough slides to actually, now you have enough slides to go ahead and get to work. So each slide, I provided you with a place for you to click add title, add text, and then there's space to add pictures. So in order to add pictures, you're going to go to insert, image, and then search the web. Remember that it will pop up on the right hand side. You need to have this in a separate tab. This will not work in the Schoology, like when you guys first open the assignment. You need to have it say edit, and it'll open up a tab in Google Slides. That way you can access the Google Images section. So I, was able to find pictures of every discoverer and every model or portion that they came up with. In order to do sources, so for example, let's say you were typing, you're going to type when you're done describing what they discovered and all of that, you're going to say source. You need to go ahead and highlight source, go to insert, link. It will now make this a hyperlink. You need to paste the link in which you got your information. So that means you're Googling these and everything, just to be sure that it is correct. Once you click done, it'll make it into a link that I can click to verify your research, okay? So there are 10 scientists and you have 10 slides to work on. So let me go ahead and show you what mine looks like. So I chose this. This is not the same theme you have to choose. You can do fun fonts that, Google Slides provide you with. Whatever theme you want, I don't mind, as long as I can read the print and it's not in like some funny colors. Like red is really hard for me to see. Yellow is really hard for me to see. Bright green is really hard for me to see, even on a screen. So make sure that you're doing your project in a way that I can actually read it. that would be awesome. So I did every single scientist. And as you can see on this far left side, I was able to find a picture of every scientist as well as what they discovered. So it should not be hard. I used the notes. I also did research online. I did this within a day, but I know sometimes you guys get distracted and stuff. So that's why I'm giving you guys some class time to work on this. But if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Remember, I am here for you.